What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to purchase the Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you've heard about Dogecoin, then probably you must have heard about the new version of Dogecoin, which is called the Baby Dogecoin. Okay, so the coin actually inherits its name from the Dogecoin. So I believe if you actually want to purchase the coin, this is the video for you to watch, as I'll be taking you through how to purchase the coin step by step. Okay, so let's dive right in. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to come over to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, so what we want to do here basically is that we want to actually go and read up some info about the coin. Okay, and see what's happening, the charts and everything. So once you are here on coinmarketcap.com, you need to come over to the search bar over here and enter Baby Dogecoin, right? So this is it over here. So as you can see over here is where you can actually see the charts, see the markets where you can actually purchase the coin. So which is what we want to do in this video. So as you can see over here, you can actually purchase the coin using pancake swap. Okay, so that's what we'll be using in this video. And you can also use this other method, Dodo BSC, which I don't really know about. Okay, so let's go ahead and make use of pancake swap. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Trust Wallet application. So in case you don't have Trust Wallet, make sure you go to get it on the Google Play Store or App Store. Probably just go and use it on the web if you are using it from your computer. So once you are here, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and purchase. As you can see over here, you can actually purchase it on pancake swap using BNB, using your BNB balance. Okay, so what you need to do is to come over here to your Trust Wallet, click on BNB, copy your BNB address, and go ahead and send some BNB into your wallet. To send the BNB into your Trust Wallet, the wallet I recommend using is Binance. In case you don't have Binance, okay, you can go ahead and use the link below and you get 10% off your transaction fee on the platform. Okay, so once you've created an account, once you've used the link below and you've created an account, what you need to do now is to of course deposit some money into your account. So as you can see, this is what you'll be seeing on your home screen after you've signed up on Binance. So what you need to do is to go ahead and deposit some money using your local currency. As you can see over here in cash, just enter your currency over here, go ahead and deposit some money. Then come over to wallet section over here. Come to the wallet section at the bottom navigation here. Then scroll down to BNB. So we should have BNB somewhere around here. As you can see, click on that BNB. Then go ahead and click on withdraw. So by now, I believe the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and purchase some BNB. I forgot to mention that, go ahead and purchase some BNB using your the amount of money that you deposited. So let's say, for example, you deposit 50 USD. What you need to do is to buy come to the market section over here, come to spot, then enter BNB / whichever currency you spend in your country. Let's say, for example, USD. Okay, go ahead and buy some BNB using your wallet balance. Then come over here to the wallet section, click on BNB over here, click on withdraw. Okay, then paste the address we copied earlier from your Trust Wallet. Then enter the amount you want to send over here. Let's say, for example, 0.2, and then click on send. But as you can see over here, I don't have enough balance. Okay, so assuming I have enough BNB over here, I'll be able to send it into my Trust Wallet. So once you've done that, you need to come back to Trust Wallet. Okay, come to the browser section over here. As you can see, browser. So then you can now go ahead and go to pancake swap. So just in case this is your first time using the Trust Wallet app, what you need to do is to come over here to the URL and enter the address over here. This address, this exchange.pancakeswap.finance / swap. So just enter the URL. So for now, I'll just go ahead and click the URL. So once you've done that, make sure this icon over here at the top left corner is set to smart chain. Okay, make sure it is set to smart chain. So now the next thing to do is now come back to the CoinMarketCap page, right? Come back to the CoinMarketCap page. Then you see this copy icon over here, the one I'm clicking right now. Click on it so as to copy the contract address of the coin. So here is where you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to convert to Baby Dogecoin. So let's say for example you want to convert 0.195 words of BNB into Baby Dogecoin. Then click on select currency over here. Now you need to paste in the address we copied earlier. So click on paste, right? Then click on import. I understand. Click on import. So as you can see over here, this will automatically convert it for you into the Baby Dogecoin, And as you can see, this is the amount of Baby Dogecoin that you'll be receiving. Okay, then you can just go ahead and click on buy. But because I don't have sufficient balance, okay, I can't purchase the coin. But assuming you follow the process, step by step, by now you should have some BNB in your wallet to actually purchase the Baby Dogecoin. So now let's say for example, now in some cases, this may pop up some error. Okay, this may pop up some error. What you need to do is to come over here to this. You see this kind of filter icon at the top over here. Come over here and increase this from 1% into something like 5%. Then go ahead and retry it again. Okay, go ahead and retry. It's called slippage tolerance. Okay, go ahead and increase the slippage tolerance. So if even after increasing it to 5%, it's still the same thing, you can go ahead and increase it to 10. Okay, but I will advise you don't go more than 15. Okay, if it is anywhere past 15, don't go for it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to answer as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.